Hello, this is Tommy Myers with MarineMax in Austin, Texas. Coming at you today with the Scarab. This is a center console. This is absolutely a beautiful boat, especially if you like fishing. Let me show you one of the nice features about this 255 center console boat. You have this nice platform here that's like a tailgate, so you can drop it down for a fishing platform. You've got a nice little extended ladder here to get in and out of the boat. This is a BRP jet boat, twin supercharged motors. As you can see, this is a center console boat. We've got flat screens on here with the SIMRAD. We've got engine monitoring system. You got a nice T-top on this boat with built-in bimini top. And you can pull your water sports from this bimini top, T-top area. Got a nice full bench leaning post seat here. There's a way this flips down. There you go. So now I can like kind of kick back and lean back here and drive the boat. One nice thing about this boat is you've got seating in the back of the boat and you've got seating up in the front. So this is a good area for guests that want to hang out, pleasure boat. But when you want to go out and you want to fish, you just pull the cushions out. You've got yourself a casting platform. And so right here, under the console of the boat, you can open this up for a really nice storage area. And for those times where emergencies are needed, you can have a porta potty down in here. So this is the 255 OD center console fishing boat with twin supercharged BRP jet motors. This boat is a great boat for anybody who loves to fish, but also wants to get out and have some summer fun, playing and tubing and wakeboarding and all that kind of stuff. So come on down, see the 255 OD MarineMax Sail and Ski. I'm Tommy Myers. Have a nice day.